we have this start time and stop time. So for example, if you need to count how much length you have in this start time, if you just give him the equal sign and then the len function parenthesis to the row number and then give him OK. So he give me 15, but if we count this one, we don't have 15, we have more than 15. So the problem why in Excel sheet, when you work in Excel sheet, he will not give you the exact length in exact left to right, because his in Excel sheet he's consider this date and time as a number. He's not considered as a date and time. So to fix this problem, we have to change the formula. So the syntax, you have to put text. So after text, D2, we need to work on D2 and then close it, and then you have to give the quotation and then give him exactly how this is. We have 4 years, and then we have this is for month, we have day, and we have hour, and we have minutes, and we have second. Close this one, and then because we didn't close the last one. Okay, close this one, and then close this parenthesis. So you will find here he give us 19. So this is the real length that we have. We have another function is called find. If you need to find how much space that we have, find. In the find, you will give him exactly that we did find. You have to give him also text, and we need to find in this D3, give him space, and then we have to identify exactly that we did. This is year, 4 years, we have 2 months, and we have the date format, second, month and days. And we have hours, we have second, minute and second. Close it, have to close it, and I have to give him quotation mark and then close it. So this is find. Okay, and before the text, we have to give him the space. We need to find the space between this. So we need to see how much space that we have after this date. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 11. So they separate between the date and time. So we found 11 space between. So after we have 11 space between the date and time. Now, for example, if you need to separate them, so you need to separate the data from the time, so we have to use the left and right command. So if we need to use the left and right, for example, if you have to put equal, we use the left sign, we give him text equal to, and we have to give him the D file, and then close, give him exactly, this is year, 4 years, 4 years, this is month, this is day, and then hours, second, and we have second. You close it this and close it parentheses, close the parentheses, and then we have to use the find. We have to now we have a space, 11 space between them. So if you put like you have to put 10 because it's count 10, the space not counted. Give him OK. So we now we have the date separated from the time. I give him 10 because I count from here is the for find he count even the space that between time and date, but I need to separate them, so I don't count the space between the date and time, so it's 10. We need to find the right. If we need to find if it needs separate, also we get the time separated from, so we have to go to equal, we go for the right. If we need to separate, we give the time right, and you have to put text and after text we have to give him the text, open parentheses, you give him the, this is d4, we work on it, and then you have to give him exactly, this is y for years, this is month, this is days, and then we have hours, and we have minute, and we have second. You have to give him the quotation close, and we have to give him especially how much we count from the right, and then so for this one we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Let's gonna give him 8 and then close the parentheses. So he give me only the time from the right. So this is very useful technique when you work on the spreadsheet. You need to know how to count how much len that you have in this string, and then you have to find what is the separate between time and date. You count how much string, how much the spaces that you have, how you count it until you find the separate between date and time. And then if you need to separate between date and time, so you have to use the left and right functions to separate between date and time. And you will, before that, if you count the that's why we count the found will gonna, it will be easy for you to separate between them, because if you nowadays you have 11 space between to separate between them, so you just have to put 10. So you know these 10 counting from date to time. If you found this information so useful for you, please leave a comment and subscribe in my channel, so you will receive all the things that you need to know about data analysis, how to clean your data. Thank you for watching.